Welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into something truly special. The legend Reborn, the 2026 Rajdoot Yamaha RD350. This bike isn't just a machine, it's an emotion, a connection between generations of riders who still feel the roar of the two-stroke legend that ruled Indian roads in the 80s. But now, in 2026, Yamaha and Rajdoot have joined forces once again to bring back this icon, smarter, faster, and more thrilling than ever before. Let's start with the design. The 2026 RD350 carries the DNA of the original beast, but with a futuristic twist. The iconic twin round headlamps are now full LED with DRLs shaped like a lightning bolt, symbolizing power and speed. The fuel tank retains that muscular Rajdoot style, while the body panels are aerodynamically sculpted with carbon fiber accents. The dual-tone color schemes of metallic red, black chrome, and classic pearl white bring a perfect mix of heritage and innovation. Under the tank lies the heart of the legend, a 300 cc parallel twin liquid-cooled engine. But this time it's equipped with Yamaha's advanced hybrid assist system, giving an instant torque boost during acceleration. It delivers around 48 horsepower and 42 Nm of torque, making it one of the most powerful mid-segment motorcycles in its class. The iconic two-stroke feel is recreated using Yamaha's new sound resonance chamber that mimics the original RD's growl, giving every rev a nostalgic thrill. Now let's talk about the performance and technology. The 2026 RD350 comes with ride-by-wire throttle, 3 riding modes, street, sport, and track, and a 6-speed gearbox with a quick shifter. The suspension setup includes USD forks at the front and a monoshock at the rear, both fully adjustable for performance tuning. Braking duties are handled by dual front discs with ABS and traction control, ensuring you have complete command on every turn. The instrument cluster is fully digital, a 5-inch TFT display with smartphone connectivity, navigation, call alerts, and even real-time performance data. You can monitor lap times, G-forces, and lean angles, features that truly push the RD into the modern era. And yes, Yamaha hasn't forgotten the emotional connection. The engineers have tuned the exhaust note carefully to capture that raspy, raw sound of the original RD350, the kind that makes your heart race even before you twist the throttle. When it comes to price and availability, the expected launch price in India is around R3.5 to R4 lakh, making it an accessible performance machine for those who crave a mix of old-school thrill and futuristic technology. So, is the 2026 Rajdoot Yamaha RD350 the return of the legend we all dreamed of? Absolutely yes. It's more than just a motorcycle. It's a tribute to Indian motorcycling heritage, built for the modern age. Whether you're a retro lover or a speed junkie, this bike promises an experience that bridges the past and the future of performance biking. If you love this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, The Ride Center, for more updates on legendary bikes reborn. Drop a comment below. Would you ride the new RD350 if it launches near you? Thank you for watching. Ride safe, stay legendary, and I'll see you in the next video.